Okay, I'm going to open Power BI. So what I do, so today I'm going to create a full data fledged project with the DAX. So we'll utilize these DAX. So this text functions, this upper, lower, left, right, concatenate x, length, substitute, this and all. Okay, filter functions, logical functions, math and translation functions, some versus some x. Okay, so we'll see that how it works. So currently I'm in Power BI. Just close this. So guys, so the main data set I'm going to use hereafter for my project purpose, because the data is related to some real-time scenarios level, so I'm not using some simple data. Okay, I'll show you which set I'm going to use for the data set only. So Excel workbook, so data set, okay, this is some bulk data and related to some real-time scenarios level. Okay, so that we utilize this. So I'm selecting category, customers. You can see individually the tables also. So category, this category table contains this columns: category ID, category name, description, and you can see, yeah, and a customer ID, customer name, contact name. So I'll tell you today how the requirement comes and what the customers expects from us with this data. So I'm loading all required tables. Okay, so this all my tables, and this also shippers, suppliers. Okay, and this is very important, and you won't get in real time, like in real time world, single tables. Okay, it's a very rare single table you get to Power BI to develop the application. Okay, the reporting. But so many, like in experience level, I'm telling you, you get many tables like this. Okay, so individual tables you'll get. So you have to build the relationship, like data modeling, and you have to do some transformations in required format. After that, you do that in end of the stage, the reporting. Okay, so which making decision for the user. So I selected these tables because these tables required for my requirement. So just think, so customer having this table, this suppliers, shippers, products, orders, order details, employees, these tables providing by customer. Okay, so my customer provided this table. So what his requirement is, like always the requirement sorry guys, instead of load sorry instead of load I just cancelled it. Data set, category, customer, employees, order details, orders, product, shipper, suppliers, load. So in real time how the requirement comes means, so there is a management. First they will approach to the customer. The customer can be anyone. Okay, it can be banking sector, it can be pharma sector, it can be insurance, it can be manufacturing, anything. Okay, but here the data is matters. Okay, so they will gather the requirement, like first they will do the agreement, like what kind of requirement they are looking at. Okay, so between us there is some teams involved first. Okay, so business analyst, Okay, the business analyst approach to the customer, so he will check all requirements like what functionalities they are looking out and what kind of business they are running. So once the business analyst deal done, like he will gather the requirements like, for example, I'm the business analyst, so I got like a call, so and so customer like so they're looking some solution. Okay, so customer, in the sense, customer approaching us means he's looking some solution for his business. Solution in the sense, how to develop the business, how to improve my business location wise, and what kind of decision I can take, like that. Okay, so he needs some solution, so that solution we have to provide to the customer. Okay, so what it happens, so here first the business analyst involved. So I'll tell you in a higher level. First, so first here business analyst. Okay, so what business analyst do, so he goes to customer, gather the requirement. Okay, he will design on functional document. Okay, what is functional document? Okay, first, so he approach to the customer. So my customer is like a big bazaar. Okay, my customer is big bazaar. Okay, it's the mall, right? So the, like, what big bazaars is looking out. So the business analyst approach to the big bazaar. So he will just meet to the CEO, like a big bazaar CEO or any manager, the relative business. Okay, so the respective business owners he meet. Okay, so who is the main person, so he'll create one functional document. Okay, he will write like the document, he will write, right? So he'll prepare the document, requirement gathering, like the big bazaar is a mall. So in the big bazaar they're having location wise stores. Okay, in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, and in Bangalore also there is a different areas, Mardalli, Tin Factory, right? So like that. Okay, so they're maintaining location wise big bazaar store and area wise also. So he wants to see, the owner, he wants to see how my business is running location wise, area wise, like that. Okay, so the functional guy will gather the requirement like the big bazaar, the big bazaar business running location wise and area wise. They're looking out of looking overall performance on locations and area. Okay, so like this, some high level picture he will give to the, he will provide the document. Okay, once the document get ready by functional team, like the business analyst, like example guys. So for example, there is a building. Okay, there is a building, the construction building. So the owners, okay, like I'm the buyer, I'm the customer, right? I'm the customer, I'll approach to one of the builder. So I'll just give him what kind of building I'm looking. Okay, like a villa. So I'm looking for a villa on so location. I'll just inform to that builder. So I'm looking at villa. Okay, what he will ask, how many bedrooms you want, okay, how many bedrooms you want, what is the size of flat you are looking, which location you are looking, right? Some basic requirements, okay. I'll ask him, okay, he will tell. I'm the customer, right? So the builder will explain me. So if you buy three bedrooms flat, this is the price. If you want like a villa, like a big house, with kitchen, with the glass doors, with duplex kind of house. So like high level view will show us, okay. So the final discussion done with me and my builder. So the three bedrooms and one hall, one kitchen, one storage room, and one dining hall. Okay, it's kind of what is called villa type, and it's kind of duplex type. Okay, so I given what I'm looking to. What I'm looking, okay. The business analyst note it down. The business analyst is here is a builder, okay. So the functional things he noted down. After that, the functional things he has just noted down that the customer looking three rooms, bedroom and one hall, this kitchen, okay. The high overview done. After that, so the delivery, okay, when he going to deliver the duplex house to me, okay, that also discussion should happen, right? So that this in the discussion he will tell the 6 months, okay, I will build the house in 6 months, we will deliver in nearby 6, okay. So I'm going to start in Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, okay. In the June end or in the July beginning, so I'll deliver the house, okay. So this is deal happened. So once if it is done, so like a functional requirement done, okay, like the business analyst, okay, the builder, he taken the details. After that he will push to the technical, okay. So technical doc provided by tech lead, okay. Tech lead in the sense here architecture, okay. Architecture can be like a technical guys, okay. Technical guys is who? So like how many coolies need, how much cement required, how much iron required, okay. What kind of stone they have to use, and right, they do estimation, right? So this is my space. For this space, how much cement required, how much sand required, how much iron required, how much coolies required, okay. The staff, how many guys going to work for that building. So this and all, okay. So this and all technical guys will make estimation, okay. He will prepare one document, like what document. So finally the technical teams discussed, so I need 10 pounds like a iron, I need 200 cement buckets, and I need 10 loads sand, like this. So the technicals, they knows the based on the space where they're going to construct the building. Based on the space, they will estimate how many staff, how much staff they need, how much time they need, okay. They do estimation, they finally do the calculate, and they'll start works, okay, like that. What is the business analyst all he gathered the requirement from the CEO, like a higher level. So he will understand the business analyst will understand, okay, they uh, running the business stores, okay, the big business stores in Bangalore and so many locations, okay. So in that location wise, they here all about data, guys, okay. Here all about data, they'll maintain the data, right? data in Data in database, okay. So all transaction data, they maintain in databases, okay. So the data can be location wise, area wise, right? It's all about like product wise, sales, everything. The data stores in everyday transaction in database, okay. After that, this business guy understand, okay, uh, the business owner looking how his business performing in area wise, location wise, so he understand overview of the business. Okay, so he prepare the document. So I approached to Big Bazaar. So these guys are looking application, like how his business is performing. So he just want to see. So but business guys, they don't have much knowledge about technical. Okay, but they are very strong. How the business. Okay, business wise they are very strong, but technically it's a very rare cases. Okay, so they don't know how to change the things in a technical way. They will give functional ways, like this is a big bazaar, so they are looking for the solution from our side, like how his business is performing, like that. Okay, so here, and they will think again, the business analyst, so the solution he'll bring, right? Is trying to give the solution to that. So what first, what kind of requirement it is? Okay, so when performance and all comes, so the business owner, like a big bazaar CEO, he needs solution. So to give the solution, first we have to understand the requirements. Okay, the business analyst first he will understand the what kind of requirement. Okay, the CEO will talks like I want to see my sales date wise, weekly wise, quarter wise, like that. So the business analyst will understand, yes, so they are looking for the reporting. Okay, the requirement belongs to reporting. Okay, so they're looking for the reporting. Now once he will understand the reporting, so from this reporting, so for reporting data required. Okay, so here database. Okay, the CEO looking for the solution on the reporting, like how sales are going and all. Okay, so reporting in the sense sales, budget, sales budget, profit. So this and all they're looking. So databases. So the business analyst will tell, is data ready for requirement? Okay, so see, you say yes, the data is ready, so every day we're storing in a database, so the data is ready, fine. So this and all, this is also done. So he decided, so they are looking for the reporting to take the decision. Okay, so why? So what's the decision? Like they are maintaining so many stores, location wise, area wise, but some stores are running fine, but some stores are running bad. Like it's not it's not performing well. He investing budget, like every quarter he investing some 1 crore, 2 crores on store, but instead of getting profit, he is going down. Okay, it's going down. So the profit is not getting what he's expecting. So he'll take the decision, instead of running the store, he can close the stores, else he can make some decision, like he'll announce the offers on the stores to increase his customers. Okay, so kind of plan he is going to do. Okay, now the data is ready, so yes, that also done. Now, so what and all required for the reporting, so business analyst will check it. Okay, is a technical team to support to us, is a technical team to support us to provide required details for report. Okay, like the big bazaar is not a small mall, right? It's a big. Okay, So technical team in the sense they are also in the Big Bazaar also they are maintaining servers, systems, databases, right? So there is a technical guys, okay, who will taking care of complete systems here. Okay, systems in the sense that the computers and the databases and all. Okay, they are maintaining some database. Okay, I need some credentials like what is the username of the database, what is the password, because the data is a secure, right? So that kind of information to give me. There is a team is there, yes, he'll tell. Yes, okay, this is one requirement done. So next, so when going to start, when going to start the project. So uh, once deal done, once deal done, what will happen, he will tell and being a business analyst, he have some knowledge, okay, what kind of solution they going to provide to that Big Bazaar CEO. So he will show some like a sliders, okay, you can see. So they will show you, the CEO will show you the dashboards, okay, dashboard in Power BI, okay, like exactly they won't take like a dashboard in Power BI like that, okay, just they will show you some images, okay. So for your business, we're going to present such information for your business, okay, like this, okay. So he will show to the CEO, okay, we will build the application like this for your business, okay. So what is the sales for this current year, what is the budget yours, and what is the budget, and what is the previous year sales, what is the current year sales, and location wise performance, okay, and the product wise and the year wise and the product, so many things, okay, you can do. And here the trend, so year wise sales and monthly wise sales, so this is a trend whether it's increasing or decreasing. The what is my business, like this detail level information, okay. So he will impress, okay, the CEO will impress, and I'll tell, yes, this is what I'm looking out, so I just want to see my business in the. So this one application will cover his business entire level, okay. So what kind of solution he is need, okay. And he will tell, the CEO will tell, yes, I am looking such application which I am looking out. So from this, again the doubts will start. The CEO given some basic level information like I am looking for the reporting for my business. So I just want to see sales, sales and profit, my budget, investment, and all, right. Once if we see this, again he will start deep, like a deep reporting, okay, like a product wise, staff wise, and like there's so many things, weekly wise sales. Before he was thinking, the CEO was thinking, I want to see year wise sales, what is last year sales and what is the current year sales, and what is quarter wise sales, okay. When the business analyst started taking the requirement, the business analyst will explain him, okay. So season sales, okay, there is a Diwali sales, there is a Christmas sales, there is a Ramzan sales, right. So this and all comes into the picture. So when business starts, so automatically the discussions will happen with the CEO and a required reputed team, okay. The respective team approach to the technical people, right. That time the discussion will take him some detail level, like when reporting starts, so they will tell, I want to, like being a business analyst, a technical team, okay, actually we are going to provide the solution to the customer, right. So we'll give him some additional information also. So we'll give you information like you can see weekly sales and the season sales, like Ramzan sales, Diwali sales, some Christmas sales. You can compare the sales and you can take the decision, what is the sales last year for the Christmas, what is the current year Christmas sale, and if you want to like if the sales are good year by year, so he will put some offers to attract the customers. So this all about business analyst role, okay. Once if it is done, the technical team dev, okay, when the technical team will involve. So the business analyst, the functionally he take the requirement. So they are looking for the reporting. So for the reporting, what and all required, so the database required, the database is ready, and the technical team is there to support us. Fine. Once if it is done, the technical architecture involved. So he will have discussion with this business analyst. The business analyst explain him. So I approached to the Big Bazaar CEO. So they are looking for the solution. So what kind of solution is the reporting? So he is the person. He is the person who having knowledge on reporting tools. Okay, reporting tools. It can be guys. There are so many tools in the market like ClickView, Tableau, Power BI. Currently, which we are going to work? Power BI, Cognos, Business Object. So there, so many tools are there in market. Okay, this all about this all the same results, guys. If you use ClickView, Tableau, Power BI, Cognos, all are for reporting only. So by using this all reporting tools, you will develop the dashboards and reports like this. Okay, but why this Power BI only popular now? Okay, so there are so many tools, right? This and all very good tools actually in the market. Okay, this ClickView, Power BI, Tableau, this and all are popular tools only was once upon a time, even now also. Okay, but why we are choosing the Power BI? Okay, the thing is the Power BI belongs to Microsoft product, and they are giving some features. Okay, like there is a so many products in Microsoft in the market. They are giving, if you use Azure. Azure is a database nowadays, is a trend. Okay, in the Azure in the market is very good. Azure is a database. Okay, it's a cloud wise database. Cloud in the sense is maintain the data in a cloud. Okay, like flow. So if you use Azure, and they're giving Power BI as less cost or can be free. Okay, so Azure is a very good database. So if you are using Azure database, the Microsoft company providing some features on Power BI, who and all using Azure. Okay, so instead of using this ClickView, Tableau, Cognos, BO, they are using for the Power BI. And compared with these tools, this Power BI are very popular. Why? Because the intelligence of the Power BI. Okay, intelligence in the sense the advanced. So advanced scenarios, analytics, and some questions and answers for the customer and easy to use. Okay, so this and all. So it's all about advanced technology, and belongs to the Microsoft product. And every month they are providing new features. Okay, to the tool. Uh, some analytics performance wise, and the speed wise, and the cost wise also cheap. Power BI cost also cheap. So it's become popular. So ClickView also with the same database, the data which I loaded in Power BI, data which I loaded in Power BI, the same data I load in a ClickView, Tableau, Cognos, or BO. So same results I get, same dashboard I can create, but the functionality, the speed, okay, the concept can be different, but output I can build like this. Okay, the output in every reporting tool I can build like this. Okay, but if you do 2 to 4 there also in ClickView, if you do 2 to 4 here also the same. Some count everywhere same in reporting tool. Until unless the data is the same, you can build same application in any reporting tool. Okay, the tool which we're going to discuss here, you can do any reporting data here with the data, with the same data, the output can be created same. But there is a scenarios like when to use the tool. Okay, it depends on data, it depends on volume of data, it depends on data size. Okay, it depends on modeling, it depends on concepts. Things are surrounded. Now they decided Power BI. So the technical guys decided Power BI I'm going to use for this requirement. Okay, because it's cheap. It's cheap and it's good. So I decided by Power BI. So inform to the CEO, like a business analyst technical guy will decide, okay, we'll use Power BI for his requirement, so we'll make it deal with the customer. So again they will approach to this CEO, Big Bazaar CEO. They will tell, we're going to use the Power BI so that you can see the reports in Power BI. Okay, why he don't know Power BI and all. Okay, this CEO don't know Power BI and all. So he will tell, okay, fine, I need the reporting. I need the reporting for the solution. Fine. So how can see my report? So this business analyst and a technical guy will tell, will provide the URL to you. Okay, URL to you. So in that URL, he can see, overall performance business. You can see his business. Okay, like this. So just think, this is my URL. So this is my reporting. So I can see like this, but he won't go and open Power BI like us. Okay, we are the developers. Okay, we are the builders. Okay, like us, they won't use. Okay, they will use only in URL. We will provide one URL. Okay, in that URL the customer will see, because the customer smooth and look expects. Okay, he don't want like he go to Power BI, he'll create the report, he will use the dashboard. No, the users, right? We have to give very smooth level approach. Okay, so the smooth level approach is a URL. Okay, so they can see, and that one, that also we can suggest, they can see the report in a mobile app also. Okay, that also will tell him, you can see the report, your business in mobile app also. Okay, that also will provide the facility, so that he will satisfy. So the team decided to start the project with a Power BI. Okay, so once technical guys and business analyst and the CEO decided, okay, the deal done. Now the Power BI, now the 6 months is a project, 6 months or 1 year, based on the data size and the requirement. Okay, the project has decided for 1 year, 1 year, and budget also they decide. Okay, how many developers required, what is how many systems required, how many testers required. Okay, this and all discuss with the technical team. So for this project, 3 people, Power BI guys. Okay, Power BI guys, and one database guy, and support one person, testing 2 people. Next, there 3 guys Power BI, one database guy, support one person, testing guy, and they divide the project like this. Okay, how many Power BI developers we need, how many supports we need, database, to fetch the data, if any data issues, I'm not able to load the data like this. Okay, so some issues I'm facing because my data not clear, so I need a database guy, the background. Okay, so that also help we need. So they knows, the technical team knows, so how many people is required for the Power BI, how many, so for that project, the respective environment they will create. Okay, so in the development, so there is a development environment, testing, production. Okay, production in the sense live guys. Okay, live, like when user going to start, no, that is live. So development, so in development we are the developers, right? So we are the developers. So we're the developers and the testers. The testers in the sense what? So for example, I have the data. Where is the data set here? So I have the data here. So there's a testers, okay. Say they do some testing in the scenario because we are the developers, okay. So being a developer, you don't have much time to do things. So you see the requirement, you start the development activities. But the developers are there, so the developers do some detail level testing, like what is the sum in background. Okay, this is my sum. This is my sum. Okay, what is the front end? Okay, they write the queries that they do. They do some testing, because if the data sum here is 5, in the front end also should be 5, right? If it is here is a 5, here is a 10, it's wrong. So your report is wrong. So based on your data, the front end output also match. If you join any tables, if you merge any tables, okay, the sum, the bag in the sum, the background is 5, in the front end also it should be same, then only. So they do some like scenarios, like it should be matched with the background data with the front end data. Background data in the sense the database data, okay, the database data, it should be matched with the front end. Okay, they do database testing and reporting level testing. So you should match it, then only the report is correct. Okay, the developers, we are the developers, we start the development activities. Okay, we create the reports and dashboards. Okay, the production. So production, users see the, okay, so development done, testing done, now production. Okay, so the production is a end environment. So end user customer, all are same as here. End user in the sense who is going to use this application in live. So they are the end users. So for example, I'm the end user. So the report develop, so I just see like this. Okay, this is a URL provided by a developer. Okay, so I see the report like this. Okay, after this, so this is how the environment looks, guys. Okay, development environment, testing environment, production environment. Okay, in development environment, all development activities happen. In testing environments, all testing, like whether the data is correct or not as per that report level. Okay, the production in the sense the user using. So if you're facing any issues here, again support teams or developer or support. Okay, developer or support guys fix that issues. Okay, developer or support fix the issues. Okay, if any issues comes in the production, okay, that issues fixed by again developer and support. Again they republish the application in live, that user will see. Okay, after that, the technical, so the technical guys involved. Okay, the business analyst and technical guys decided we're going to use a Power BI. For the Power BI we need three people, developers, one the database guy, and support team, and testing people. So they just selected the people who going to work that project, and the tenure of the project is a 6 months. Okay, they start the requirement. So one by one they will start the requirement. Start first the big buzzer, sales, right? So with logo I'm going to start this project. Yes, so this data only I'm going to start the same. It looks like some real-time scenarios level. The data also very good, so that we'll understand this is how the product, the environment goes. Okay, I'm saving this document also. So you understand, right, how the environment, like how the requirements comes, and how it's converted into the technical teams, right? All of you. Okay.
Yes, Imran.
Okay. So first they decide like in the requirement document. So they decide we're going to start the application. Okay. Application. The application name is Big Sales. Okay, my application name they decided Big Sales. The Big Sales in the sense the CEO he told mine is Big Bazaar, so I want to see the application name like a Big Sales. He those wish the CEO owners this wish. Okay, they'll tell my name with my name also the application will those wish. So they will just say Big Sales is the application. Okay, so in that application what and all required. Okay, sales performance, profit, budget, location wise sales or area wise, season sales, total staff, total staff in Big Bazaar, so logging hours. So this all. Okay, so again they will divide this uh, requirements. Okay, again they will divide this requirements like sales. So what is the columns? Okay, for this sales what is the columns here? Okay, so if you they go and check here, so the technical guys they read they will uh, the technical team are there, right? They will check what is the sales column here. Okay, so they're looking sales, right? So they check in each table what is the sales columns, like it can be sales, it can be quantity sales, like this. Okay, so this is a price. Okay, this is the price, so I gave a name like a sales price. So they're looking, so in the bracket they will mention the requirement total sales on business. Okay, like this. Okay, the requirement gives like this, guys. Sales performance. Okay, they will provide the column name, the column like the column can be high level. So by seeing this I understand, right? Total sales and the sales I can understand. This is a column where all sales happen. Okay, they will give like this. The requirement comes total sales and overall business, like this they will give. So I understand. Okay, this is my sales column, so that I have to do sum in reporting. Okay, the profit, the profit what they will give, profit in the sense what so cost minus I I purchased one product for 10 rupees, I sold for 12 rupees. 2 rupees is a profit, right? Correct. Sales minus cost, so is a profit. Correct.
Yes, Imran.
So I purchased one pen for 10 rupees, I sold for 12 rupees, so 2 rupees is a profit. So like this the requirements comes, guys. Okay, like this the requirements comes in real world. So by seeing this I understand what is the cost of that product. So here they will provide what is the cost for this chair. Okay, what is the price? Okay, how many quantities they sold out. So this is how the data comes in real world. So with that data the requirement they will build. Okay, the technical team that requirement document they will provide to us. So that requirement document we will read and we will understand. If you have any doubts, so you have to ask the technical teams, technical guy. So it doesn't mean, guys, they are giving a document and you completely understand. No, here no one expert. Okay, until understand you are not good in the document, you can't start the requirement. Okay, First you have to understand the scenario and business here. So the business is Big Bazaar, they are looking for the reporting we're going to build. Okay, so that reporting we are going to develop in Power BI. So what and all activities we are going to perform, this and all you should be very clear. Okay, they will give time to you read the document, the requirement document like this. Okay, sales performance, profit, this and all. So the business logics also they provide you, but you have to understand which is the column you're going to use for your reporting. Okay, this is all about the requirement gathering with the Power BI development application. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start building the application. So today I'll start with the big sales. Okay, big sales I given the name. Okay, tomorrow we'll see starting of the data, how our application looks. We're going to use this data for our application so that you will understand the real time practice. Okay, so tomorrow we'll meet guys. I have a meeting by 9:30. Okay, any doubts, all of you? Is it clear?
Yeah, Imran.
Yes, Imran.
Okay, fine, thank you.
Hi, Imran.